Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about how to use entry widgets in TK India. So I have an initial setup wherein there is a window and a label and a command button. And command button is assigned a command clicked when this function is being invoked. Your label is being reconfigured to I was clicked. Earlier the label was having a caption name of the students. We'll select the initial setup. Hope you can see the window being displayed here. Okay, so here click me is the button being defined initially with foreground and background, and command is being clicked. So what will happen is this is the label name of the student. When I'm going to click this, you can observe that I was click being done. Okay, so now our objective is to learn about entry box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new text box, entry box here. Let me name it as entry, the object name to be entry, and I'm going to define this has to be available in the window. Okay, then I need to pack it using pack function. So let me check. You can see here there is after this there is a entry box. Okay, so what is the necessity of going with the entry box is for getting the user input through keyboard, either for getting their username or password, or maybe some kind of fields wherein you need their date of birth or all those things. Okay, but of course for date of birth we will have a separate widgets for getting the date. So next thing is about how to change the width and colors of your entry box. So with the same existing entry box, I'm going to add further parameter. I'm changing the width to 50. Let me assign the color. Okay, it's similar to earlier we have discussed about for button, PG and FG for background, sorry, foreground, and BG for background. So let me give some color to it and check how it works. Foreground to be blue color, and I'm going to give white. So make sure you are giving a contrast color and don't give the same color for both foreground and background, because you will not be able to see the content if they are in the same color. Okay, I'll again rerun this. You can see the background of your text box entry box is blue, and with this given to be 50, and color is white. That will have can observe only by typing some values. This is my entry. Okay, so next thing is like if you want some content to be already there in the entry box rather than having a empty box, you can add that also by way of giving entry dot insert. Sorry, then you need to specify from where it has to start and what is the string to be displayed, like enter your name or issue number, whatever it may be. So what happens is when the entry box is being loaded, it will be having enter your name, so that you will get to know like what for this entry box is meant for, or else you need to have an additional label for that. So if you want to type your name here, like I'm going to type Raja, and of course we have not given any function over that. When I'm going to click also, it's going to show I was clicked. Okay, what I'm supposed to need now is, after giving my name, when I'm going to click this, I want to share like my name has to be displayed on the window. Let's try like how it can be done. So prior to that, whatever content what you are going to get, that can be received through a method or function called entry dot get. So entry is your object name, that is your entry box, and get is the function. So where I'm going to save this lbl1 equal to, sorry, so this has to be assigned somewhere, not here. So let me copy this. So I'm going to make it like when this is being clicked, I'm going to save label to be, let me remove this, and I'm going to tell this label to be having a label of window just being there. Then I'm going to give the function entry dot this, and this has to be okay. So what I'm saying is, when this function is being invoked by pressing this button, I want the entry whatever being given in the text box, sorry, entry box, that has to be assigned to the label. Earlier we have given a actual text. Here we are getting the text from the entry, then we are displaying it on the label. So I'm going to give Raja, then when I'm going to click, it's not working. We'll see like what is being missing. Okay, what is missing here is we have given the assigned, but again the label has to be repacked. So I will add one more thing, label one dot pack. Then we'll check whether this function triggers. Okay, I'm going to give some text over entry box. Let it be the name of some person. I'm going to click. So you can see in the label it's being printed Raja. Again I'm clicking it. Again it's being packing with Raja. So in case we want to have some solution to this, like hello some person, then you can give like this. So you know what is the meaning of this plus. It's a concatenator operator. Again let me check whether it works. So I'm not giving anything here. Let the default name to be hello. Enter your name. If I'm going to give some name, then it's going to be say hello Raja. See, there is no space between hello and Raja. So it's, if you want to have that, just add this. Then maybe if you want to add some exclamatory symbol, so now you get to know I'm giving Raja, and I'm going to click and see hello Raja. So it's up to you how to design. So I think we have seen enough functions for making use of your entry. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.